Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. Today we're going to do something really cool and different. We're going to use this Wyze cam, stick it in the car, and do video surveillance. We'll be right back. Put one here. Put one here. We're going to put one here. We're going to throw one here. I got Velcro on the bottom of this battery, and we're going to stick it to this Velcro here so it stays. So we installed one there. We have a switch on every camera. Plug it in. Let's see if the switch is actually on. It is not on. Let's plug this other one in. Is it turned on? It is not. Alright, I put a little piece of Velcro on this so it doesn't move around, and make the appropriate adjustments so the camera is facing correctly. Today we're going to be learning how to use the Wyze camera for video surveillance for the car. Each Wyze camera, non-motion camera, the $25 version camera, each have been pre-configured at the home on the Wi-Fi network for standard definition, and they all have 32 gig memory cards installed in them. Motion detection is turned off, and they've been installed in the car as we're driving right now. And for this purpose is to keep tabs on your vehicle when you're not in the car. So you want to make sure honest people are honest. In a moment, I will show you footage of a parking lot. So guys, I hope you're enjoying this video, and it's showing you what you can do. The possibilities are unlimited, especially when you have this capability. And I'm kind of thinking outside the box a little bit. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.